I'm not sure what kind of tree this is, but it's so pretty. And the leaves, they're shaped like, wow, it's really, really pretty. I'm not sure what it is. Look at that. It's almost like yellow snow or something. So pretty. This is pretty. Look at these beautiful trees. Yeah, a Cali street. Enjoy this Cali street, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, instead of snowflakes, these are floral blossom flakes. It's pretty cool. Yeah, it's really pretty. Sunset in Pacific Palisades. I don't think you can see the Ferris wheel over there. That's Santa Monica Pier.